Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, I am incredibly excited to introduce to you an amazing tool that will revolutionize the way you take care of your lawn and garden. If you're tired of dealing with bulky, heavy lawn mowers and trimmers, then this handheld electric foldable lawn mower is the perfect solution for you. First and foremost, this lawn mower is powered by a Makita 18V battery, meaning you can say goodbye to messy cords and gas-powered engines. This makes it not only convenient but also more environmentally friendly. The adjustable electric trimmer and pruning tool attachments give you the versatility to tackle any task in your garden with ease. One of the best features of this lawn mower is its foldable design, making it easy to store and transport. No more struggling to find space in your garage or shed for a large clunky mower. This compact design also makes it perfect for smaller lawns and tricky areas that are hard to reach with traditional mowing equipment. But the benefits don't stop there. The handheld electric foldable lawn mower is designed to be lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing the strain on your arms and back while you work. This means you can spend more time enjoying your garden and less time dealing with the physical toll of traditional lawn care. So, if you are ready to take your lawn care to the next level, I highly recommend investing in this amazing tool. The convenience, versatility, and ease of use make it a must-have for any garden enthusiast. And the best part? You can find the link to purchase this incredible product in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Happy gardening, everyone.